Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. If you can't tell, I got the new lens in, so hopefully it looks good. I also got a new little like tripod kind of thing to hold the camera, so the camera quality should be upgraded a little bit and look a little bit better. But today, guys, we're going to be talking about the wheels on the Jeep. Now, the wheels on the bus might go round and round, but the wheels on the Jeep simply don't. Basically, what I'm saying is, I don't know what I'm saying, but new merch is on the way, guys, so make sure you guys check that out once it comes. It'll hopefully be here this week. Hopefully Wednesday's video, it will be shown off, so make sure you guys check it out when it does come out. Hope you guys are excited about that. It's really cool, really good quality stuff, hopefully. So if the samples are good, then we'll go ahead and okay it, and we'll set you guys up with a date. So let's talk about the wheels here. So the wheels on my Jeep right now are just the standard altitude 20s. So these ones are, what size do we have on here? Where is it? Down here, 265/50 R20. So those are 265/50 R20s. So they're on the 20s. So I want to go to 22s. I've been saying that for a while on the channel, but now it's a matter of, do I want to go to 22s, and then which size tire do I want to do? So right now I have the wheel spacers on. If you guys haven't seen it previously, the wheel spacers are in the back. So I kind of like the staggered look now. But do I want to stagger out the back, like just do different tire sizes or wider wheels, or what do I want to do with that? So the other day I ran to a place that was like an hour drive away with one of my friends. I was going to record it, but I ended up not, because I felt a little bit weird going to this place for the first time. It's just a kind of little small mom and pop kind of place that does wheels and tires and all that kind of good stuff. So basically what happened is, I basically wanted to get quoted for the Hellcat Replicas. So I'm looking for the 22 Hellcat Replicas, roughly like 9.5 or 10, depending on what they come in. I think they come in like 9.5 and 10, I'm not sure. But so I was looking for those to get quoted on and see what they were gonna price it as. Obviously, if I do get them, I need new tires because I have 20s now, so I need to do 22-inch tires. If I'm gonna do 22-inch tires, I'm gonna need tire pressure monitor sensors. Obviously, the TPMS sensors are gonna need to go in, as well as we're gonna need to upgrade our, we're gonna need to get them mounted and balanced, because I don't have a tire machine, that's for sure. Everything is DIY at home at my parents' house right now, and we're working with what we got. So I need all that done for me at the place. So I went and got a quote, and it was roughly $1,800 with some crazy wheels. So I'm gonna pull this up. He wrote down for me, or he gave me the information. So the tires that he was quoting me on were the Atturos. I'm not sure exactly. I want to say like 850s or something. I don't have the exact model right now, but they were the Atturo tires. So this was a setup with Atturo tires, but he was telling me to go 305, 35, 22. Now that is an insanely wide tire. I'll try and pop a picture up here on the screen for you guys to see. A 305, 35, 22 is an extremely thick boy tire. Now, I don't know if he was just saying for the back to do that size, but I'm gonna be honest, turning that in the front, like that's gonna stick out like that much or something. Like it's gonna be a wide tire. So I don't think I'm gonna go with 305, 35, 22s, but I do think that I am gonna do some 22-inch wheels. So let me know what size you guys are running, if you guys are running the Hellcat Replicas, because I am looking into running those. It's just a matter of which size I wanna run, because currently the ones that I have for these 20s look good, but overall I want to upgrade them and get something a little bit better. Now for that, it was going to be $1,879 for 4 wheels, as you can hopefully see there. Maybe it'll focus. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. That was for 4 wheels with tires, tire pressure monitor sensors, or TPMS sensors, as well as mounted, balanced, and everything else. Obviously we'd probably want to get it aligned at that point because we're throwing bigger tires on, but that's not my biggest worry when doing that. So we'd be going from that to a 22. Now the next problem that I run into is with the wheel well. So if you notice on the Jeep here, so in the front here we have it's lower than the back. So obviously on most SUVs, trucks, stuff like that, they do this in case you're towing to kind of like balance it out. Now my next option is that even if I do 22s, it's only gonna fill out this wheel well so much, and I kind of want to, you know, fill that wheel well a lot more. So then there's 2 options that I have. One of the options that I have is I go ahead and just grab the SRT lowering springs, or whatever they are, the SRT springs for the back, and just drop the back down to kind of level out with the front. Or I go and I order the Eibach springs, and I do the whole thing, and I drop the back and the front a little bit, which is going to lower the entire thing down a pretty good amount, which with 22s looks absolutely fantastic. So that's what I'm thinking is going to be the long-term plan now. I wasn't gonna mess with the suspension, but the channel's grown here a ton and things are going really well. So I think that might be an option here on the channel soon. So basically what we'd be working with, hopefully by the end of 2021, if I don't upgrade to the SRT or the Trackhawk by then, because I feel like I should just keep going on this and then eventually maybe give it away to one of you guys, depending on where the channel goes. So if we do that, then we're gonna be working with the windshield tint, which is coming on the 25th, by the way, guys. So whatever day that lands on, the next day the video will come out with the tint showing it before and after in daytime and nighttime, as well as dropping it off, picking it up, showing you before and afters, all that kind of good stuff. We already have it set up, like I said, the 25th is coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. So the windshield's coming for that, which is gonna match awesome with the side windows. We have 20% on the sides if you haven't seen it in my other videos, and then on the front we're gonna be doing 35%. I've been talking about the roof wrap, for so long, and I did get a much better quote for it recently. They quoted me about 500. I'm gonna see if anyone else around has a better quote, but I do have that option of doing the roof for 500. So again, if I do the wheels, tires, lowering, all that kind of stuff, windshield tint, and it still looks like I need to do the black roof and I still feel like I want to do it, then I'll do that. So I think the Jeep would be looking absolutely fantastic at that point. I have mentioned that I was going to be doing the cold air intake, but some people in my comments and just kind of me talking to myself about it, is it really worth on the 3.6 liter V6 engine to go ahead and upgrade like that with a $300 part? I mean, obviously if I'm doing wheels and tires, I mean, it's like $2 grand, but I can always take those off and sell them later on, keep them, put them on a different car, put them on an SRT or a Trackhawk, depending on which one I get, you know, kind of thing. But either way, when I sell it, I can take those with it and sell them. If I do something like that where it's a bolt-on mod that's not really going to do anything for it besides maybe give it a little bit more of an intake sound, I feel like $300 isn't really worth it. I think I could invest that better on other things. Like doing other things inside, like wrapping the interior, doing the push start, all that kind of stuff, which is coming, by the way. I have all that kind of stuff planned out throughout the year. So I have tons of content coming, guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. There's just so much to do with the Jeep. But I want to know what you guys are running for these wheels, because that's kind of the main point of this video. This is where the front sits right now. So we're gonna get the entire kit and get rid of these. You can see the tread is pretty low on these as is, and on the back it's pretty much just the same. If we swing here, you see it's pretty much the same. They're not completely done, they still have a little bit of wear left in them, but if I'm going to upgrade them anyway, I might as well just upgrade the whole thing like I want to do anyway. One thing is, then I can keep these and keep them for winter tires if I want. Put some beefy tires on them that are really good in the snow and stuff like that, because we get tons of snow up here. Which again, if you guys run a winter set of tires, let me know down below what you guys are running for your winter set as well as your normal one, because I want to know sizes. If you guys are running Hellcat reps, I know a lot of you guys are, let me know down below what size you guys are running, because that's my biggest thing. I know I'm going to go with the 22-inch wheels. It's just a matter of what size am I going to do for the tires, because they were saying you can go really wide on these, but I don't want to have any issues, especially if I'm going to end up lowering it, which I'm not sure if I'm going to lower it first or after. Probably lower it before, because, you know, I think it's like $300 for the lowering springs, and then I'll probably just pay someone to do it, because if you guys have seen any of my other installs on the channel, like the exhaust or anything like that, or I don't think I ever made a video of it, but I did the leveling kit on my truck, and it was just a whole pain, and I never want to go through anything like that again. So I'd probably just pay someone like $300, whatever it is, $300, $400 for the labor or whatever, and have them install the lowering springs for me, because last time it was just not a good time. So let me know, like I said, sizes down below, what you guys are running for wheels. If you guys are running the reps especially, let me know the tires. Winter tires, what you guys are doing with those, as well as if you have a lowering kit or the Eibach lowering springs in your car, especially, or the SRT ones, because like I said, I was looking into doing that as well. But I think the price is going to end up being like triple the price as if I got the lowering springs for the whole thing and then had them installed professionally. So let me know all that down below. That's probably going to wrap up this video. I just really wanted to talk to you guys about wheels and tires, because these are kind of the plans that I have going for my Jeep, and I want to know what you guys have planned or what you guys are running for your Jeeps. We'll see what's going to happen here in the future. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff planned. The windshield tint's coming. I have a bunch of stuff coming in the mail and other things that I want to do still that I haven't even thought about ordering or anything like that, because they're expensive, or just haven't gotten around to ordering because I've been really busy. So if you did enjoy this video, you got any information from it, make sure you smash that like button down below. It's really chilly out here, so I think I need those likes to help me warm up. And of course, comment. Like I said, there's so much for you guys to comment down below, so I want you guys to let me know. Also, let me know how the lens looks. Is this lens looking, ooh, is it spicy? I think it's a good looking lens, guys. It costs a lot of money for this lens, so hopefully it upgrades the quality a lot on the videos. Hopefully you guys appreciate that and enjoy the content even more. And of course, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. New videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.